Good Good morning, students. You all are fine. So, today I will going to teach you the plan. What is plan? And yesterday I have discussed the scale varieties types of scale, globe, map, etc. So today we have discussed what is plan. A plan is a detailed drawing of a small area. Please underline, like a house or an office building. Not a big area, it's a small area. It is always drawn to scale, thus measurements are necessary for drawing a plan. A plan shows the shape and position of objects as they appear when viewed from above. Look at this picture. This is the picture of a interior of a house, and this is the plan, how it was built. This is the plan of a इंटीरियर ऑफ ए हाउस. ये बिल्डिंग कैसे बनेगा उसका आउटलाइन जो है इसको बोलते हैं प्लान. सो नाउ the page number 6, the difference between globes, maps, sketches and plans are very important. So please mark it. Like globes are three-dimensional and maps are two-dimensional. Globes are made to scale and maps are drawn to scale. Globes are spherical in shape, maps are drawn on flat surface, mostly paper. Sketches and plans difference. Sketches are a rough drawing of a small area and the plans are detailed drawing of a small area. Sketches are not drawn to scale but are based on observation, but the plans are always drawn to scale. Sketches are mostly drawn on flat surface, but the plans plans are mostly flat. At times they could the three-dimensional. So this is very important. Please mark it. Now we have discussed what is diagrams. Diagrams is a kind of drawing. So what is diagram? A diagram is a drawing that explains the structure or the workings of something. Diagrams are used widely to explain geographical concepts. Only geographical concepts. Given below are the diagrams of some geographical feature. Look at this picture. This is a diagram of river. Rivers. A river is a body of fresh water which flows from a surface to an ocean. ये जो rivers होता है ये flow करता है surface से ocean तक. A lake or another river. The diagram below shows the course of a river from the source of its mouth and some of the features associated with it. So diagram of a feature, the many source of the features. What is this feature? First of all, a meander is a curve in the path of a river. Like, look at this picture. This is called meander. This is a curve. ये ऐसे ऐसे करके ये जो कर्व है इसको कहते हैं, और ये जो नदी जो आते हैं ओशन की तरह ये कर्व करके करके उसका जो शेप है उसको कहते हैं मेंडर. What is distributary? A distributary is a stream that branches out of the main river. This is called distributary. Distributary is a stream that branches out the main river. ये जो main river है उसका जो branches है, ये जो main river है उसका जो branches है उसको कहते हैं distributary. Now the source. What is source? The source of a river is the place from where it starts to flow. This can be a lake, a spring or a glacier. Like this. जहाँ से ये नदी का उत्पत्ति होता है उसको कहता है सोर्स. हो सकता है ये कोई लेक हो, कोई स्प्रिंग हो, झरना हो, और कोई ग्लेशियर हिमबाह हो. Like this. Now what is tributary? Tributary is a stream which flows into a large river like this. ट्रिब्यूटरी जो बड़े नदी के साथ मिलते हैं उसको बोलते हैं ट्रिब्यूटरी। लाइक ये छोटी नदी जब बड़े नदी से मिलते हैं इसको कहते हैं ट्रिब्यूटरी। नाउ व्हाट इज डेल्टा? डेल्टा इज ए ट्रैक्ट ऑफ फ्लैट land formed by the mouth of the river by the deposition of sediments like this। जहाँ पे नदी सी पर आकर मिलते हैं वहाँ पे सेडिमेंटेशन डिपॉजिट होके जो फ्लैट लैंड फॉर्म होते हैं उसको कहते हैं डेल्टा। लाइक दिस डिपोजिशन ऑफ सेडिमेंट्स। सो व्हाट इज द माउथ? The place where a river flows into a lake, a sea or another river is known as the mouth of the river. Like this. The place where a river flows into a lake. ये एक जगह होता है जहाँ पे रिवर आके एक लेक पे मिलता है और सी और दूसरा रिवर पे मिलता है उसको कहता है माउथ। लाइक दिस। तो दिस इज द many different features of rivers diagram. Is it clear to you? And this picture is very important for exam. Please mark it. Now what is block mountains? Block mountains are formed when divergent forces act upon a part of the earth crust. Cracks or faults appear in the earth crust, forcing some blocks or rock to move up while pushing other block down. The blocked are pushed up from block mountains are the block that are pushed down from rift valleys. This is the picture of block mountains. This is called divergent forces and this is rift valley। और रिफ्ट वैली के प्रेशर देने के रिफ्ट वैली जब प्रेशर देते हैं तब ये दोनों जगह ऊंचा होके ये ब्लॉक माउंटेन तैयार होता है। लुक एट दिस पिक्चर, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। क्रैक्स और फॉल्ट्स अलोंग विच ब्लॉक्स ऑफ रॉक एंड पुश्ड अप और डाउन। जब पुश्ड अप होता है तब होता है ये block mountains। Now what is anticline and syncline? Anticline and syncline are folds from the earth crust by the process of compression acting on the rocks। ये rocks के ऊपर ये जो compression one type of force उसके द्वारा जो earth crust होता है उससे ये anticlines और synclines form होता है। As the layers of rocks पत्थर का जो स्टोन का जो लेयर्स होता है गेट स्क्वीज टुगेदर दे गेट थ्रोन अप इन ए सीरीज ऑफ फोल्ड। जब स्क्वीज हो जाता है तब उसका जो सीरीज होता है वो फोल्ड हो जाता है। व्हेन द लेयर्स ऑफ रॉक बेंड अपवर्ड्स इन द आर्च then are anticlines and when the layers rock bend towards like in a through they are from synclines। Look at this picture, this is the force of compression। Okay, this is the force of compression and the result of this the layers of rocks when upwards in arch this is called anticline and then when downwards in arch called syncline। Upwards anticlines and downwards synclines। So up to this next week I will continue। Thank you।